Almost all students admitted to Sabancı University academic graduate programs, except for professional graduate programs, receive full exemption from annual tuition fees. In addition to tuition waiver, majority of Sabancı University graduate students receive further support, which includes monthly stipend and free dorm rooms. Okay. Details of the scholarship available for 2026-2027 academic year, which is effective as of September 2026 for continuing and new graduate students, can be found below. Admissions and scholarship decisions, which are based on academic merit for applicants, are made during the evaluation process. Scholarship recommendations are made by admission jury and then finalized by the board of a relevant graduate school. Seeking graduate studies students. As you can see here, Sabancı University graduate programs are seeking applications for 2026-2027 academic year. Application deadline is here June 8, June 12, June 15 for arts, business, and engineering. You have the distinguished science and technology scholarship with significantly higher stipend and research support are offered to selected PhD candidates in programs of engineering and natural sciences. So you see here what you will get. Okay, full tuition, monthly stipend, guarantee on campus housing, free of charge, private health insurance, dedicated laptop, conference participation support, transportation support, and monthly stipend amount MS or MA 43,500 Turkish lira, which is $980 per month. PhD, you can see here. Okay. And these are the science and research for the future. You see the different areas. Okay. Now, if you go down, so this is the same distinguished Sabancı University seeking exceptional doctoral student. This is again for doctoral student. Now, when you come to this, this is the one we just talked about. And if you come to full scholarship opportunity, tuition fee exemption, master's 100%, and doctoral again 100%. After PhD qualifying exams, the stipend you see here 43,500, 67, dormitory, typically 2-person room, transportation, they will give you 10,000. Okay. Then you have project with scholarship as well. All of these scholarships, you don't even apply for the scholarship, you apply for the program, and most of them you will consider. Okay, you see online application. Then tuition waiver, scholarship, you read about the scholarship, who is qualified. Under this, you will see the graduate students may be admitted with a scholarship that provides full or partial exemption from the annual tuition fee. The following benefits are provided under the tuition waiver support. Okay, so tuition fee exemption rate, dormitory if applicable, transportation, private healthcare, laptop, conference support. For masters, double room. Then you have the 2 big tar. Now, how do you apply for all of this? Just go to online application first. Make sure you get a lot already, okay? Because you have to write some essays. Welcome to the Sabancı University Graduate Scholarship, graduate admission. Admission requirement, you check for natural science, depending on the area that you want to study. Sign with your email or password. And if you don't have, you create an account. You click on this, and you create an account, then you start filling in your information and apply to the university. Always, it's so easy. So I've just gone back just to see different students. You want to reach out, you see some details, okay? You can follow them. So you can go to admission, just read through. Go to academics, about the university, rules and regulations, everything. Just read. That's the only thing I would say. If you can read international student graduate program, prospective undergraduate students, maybe there are scholarships as well here. Let me just click on undergrad quickly. Say apply now. Why join this? Freedom to choose a Turkey undergraduate, tuition fees, how to apply, tuition and fees. I want to see if they have scholarships. So sometimes if you don't see internship career events, if you don't see anything, you will type it here. You see this one? You type it there. Okay. Well, let me see if they have any tuition and fees. Let's just go to this. This is for undergrad. What's the problem? Okay. Guys, I don't know why this is not. This will be clickable. National students, going to the prospective students. Sabancı University for undergraduate application portal. So you can see here and apply. But I want to see if they have scholarship. I don't think so. For undergrad, apply for undergraduate program. You see here degree requirement scholarships. Let's go to scholarships. Scholarship for international students at Sabancı University. You read everything here. There must be this is Azerbaijan, Iran government, Oman, Libya, Pakistan, Qatar. Entry requirements, how to apply, ask questions. Okay. Anyways, guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.